So let us look at the structure of this new course on geography through through maps with 350 MCQs. But before starting, you can read something about me in this particular slide. Now the first question that arises is, why this particular course? As far as maps are concerned and as far as geography is concerned, so basically the questions that are being asked in the prelims examination by UPSC are an amalgamation of maps as well as geography. If you would see the past question papers, you would realize that the concepts of geography such as the monsoons, like Arabian Sea branch is coming and it is parallel to Aravallis and the Western Ghats act as an obstruction to that branch. So you need to visualize the geography to understand the mechanism of the Arabian Sea branch of the southwest monsoon. So it is because of this reason that maps have gained significant importance. Apart from this, direct questions have been asked that which of the following countries do not touch Mediterranean Sea, or which of the following countries share border with South China Sea, or arrange the following capitals of SAARC nations from north to south. Or the next question is where this particular trench or where this particular tectonic plate is located. So all these kind of questions that are asked in prelims in increasingly more numbers, they require thorough analysis of maps. Apart from this, if you are thorough with industrial locations, if you are thorough with mines location, global industrial locations, global resource locations, global climatic areas, also if you are well aware of the strategic locations, the nuclear flashpoints of the world on map, you would be able to write good quality mains answer. So as far as maps are concerned, they are a passive part that are used both in prelims as well as in mains. If you would start searching for maps in the mains examination, you won't find a direct question upon maps, but inherently, passively, maps are being used in a great number in many answers in the mains examination. So as far as this particular course is concerned, so direct questions have been asked in prelims. Also, the weightage of the map based questions has been rising, and also definitely they would help you in writing good quality mains answers. Now, one point that is to be noted here is, whenever you are reading newspaper, this is one course that would enable you to read newspaper in a better manner, because in this course I'll be covering all the map based scenarios, all the map based questions, all the map based concepts, be it ocean currents, be it physical geography, be it world geography, be it Indian geography. The map based portion of all these three kinds of geographies would be covered. So let us say there is this hue and cry regarding the Vedanta mines, or there is the sand mining problem or the coal mine problem in Goa. So whenever you would read such news articles, or whenever you would read anything about national parks or wetlands like Loktak Lake in Manipur or Dachigam National Park in Jammu and Kashmir, if you would read about them, you would be instantly able to analyze and comprehend it in a better manner. So this course would be in complementarity with your newspaper reading. Also, as far as every MCQ is concerned, we would be covering 350 MCQs in this particular course. With every MCQ, after every MCQ, I would be giving you an in-depth explanation that what is the geographical, strategic, political and economic significance of this particular place, so that you are able to write answers not only in GS paper 1 but in GS paper 2, citing the political and international significance, and GS paper 3 citing the economic significance. So we would be covering the maps in such a manner so that you would be able to analyze, you would be able to understand the importance of a place from 4 dimensions: geographic, political, strategic and economic. Also, the maps that I would be covering in this particular course, they would be based upon the static as well as the current portion. For example, national parks, for example, headquarters of different international organizations, for example, trenches, different tectonic plates, the major as well as the minor ones, or the ring of fire, or the Micronesia, Polynesia, Melanesia, all these island groups and archipelagos, these are the static part of geography. Apart from this, I'll be covering the current portion as well, like ISIS had captured Mosul, or Kim Jong-un is threatening to attack the Hawaii Islands, or he is threatening to attack the Guam Islands. Like that, the places that are there in the current affairs, I would be covering them as well. Right, so as far as the MCQs are concerned, each and every MCQ that would be framed by me exclusively. You won't find these MCQs anywhere else. That is a personal guarantee that all the MCQs, each and every question would be framed by me upon the UPSC pattern. For example, let us say this is the map and I would mark 1, 2, 3 like this. Now identify the national parks that have been mentioned here, right? Like this. This is just one type of question that would be covering. There are many types of questions. Like for example, if I give you Vietnam, Hanoi and Bali, arrange them from north to south. This is just another example. There are many types of questions that are possible in map based questions, right? Also, as far as this particular course is concerned, the unique feature of this course is that after every class, immediately, you would be getting the PDFs and the PPTs of all the questions as well as explanations. Whatever I would be teaching in class, you don't need to pick up your pen. I would be giving you each and everything so that you are able to revise it again and again. Apart from this, there would be weekly quizzes in this particular course so that you are able to revise whatever we have learned. Now, there may be a doubt that who can enroll for this particular course. Those of you who are appearing for UPSC CSC Prelims 2019, you would find this course extremely useful from geography and the mains 2019 point of view. Now, there may be a question, isn't it too early to join this course for Prelims 2019 point of view? Answer is no. Why? Because next year exam would be held and you have almost 12 to 13 months to go for next year's prelims. Now, this is a 20 days course. If you are spending these 20 days understanding the maps of across the world, each and every continent, each and every physical feature, each and every political feature, economic feature, if you are able to understand this, firstly, you would have to read less NCRTs. NCRTs you would be able to understand in a better manner. Because NCRTs of 11th and 12th, they contain predominantly maps. All those maps I would be covering in this particular course. Also, you would be able to understand newspaper in a better manner. And you would be able to know that if any place is coming in the newspaper, if you are getting a name of a particular place in the newspaper, then how to utilize it, how to make its notes, in what ways the questions can be formed by the examiner. So basically you would be knowing the technique as to how to analyze a particular geographic location. What are the prisms? What are the angles through which you can analyze a particular place? Another question that arises is that why Unacademy Plus? How Unacademy Plus can be a reliable partner as far as preparation is concerned. So basically, as far as Unacademy Plus is concerned, so we would be having live streaming of the courses. Also, you would be getting the recorded videos for the next 2-3 years and you would be having the access to them immediately after the class. Even if you are missing the class because of some time constraint or because of some personal engagements or you are working, no need to worry. Even if you are missing the live stream, you would get the access to the videos for the lifetime, so that till the time you are appearing, you would be able to get the access of these videos. Also, I would be taking the doubt solving sessions, the dedicated doubt solving sessions in which even if you have a single doubt, no matter how minute is it, I would be taking all your doubts. You would be having direct communication with me, and as I told you, we would be having weekly quizzes on a regular basis so that we can comprehend that where you exactly stand and what are your weak areas. So I hope all these points and the course structure is clear to you. The utility of this course is clear to you. And if you have any doubt, you can feel free to contact us by writing us at help@unacademy.com, or you can follow me on Unacademy and you can mention all your doubts in the comment section. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. So I hope you would enjoy this course. See you in the classes. Thank you very much.